Timmy was an average kid. He talked just like the other kids did, but then one day he choked on some corn and the doctors replaced his voice with a horn. Car horn boy!
This week on the Adventures of Horn Boy, Horn Boy writes his SATs.
Horn boy, where'd you put number one?
Hey! Hey! No talking during the test. No excuses.
Way to go, we're gonna get this in.
What did I just tell you? One more word on you, and you fail the test.
How do you fail your SATs?
That goes for you too,
Smooth move, Horn boy. You're gonna ruin my chances to get into Harvard Law School. Are you going to the dance Friday? Yeah? Oh, hey, did your dad say we can borrow his car? Yeah, awesome, great. I just hope he got the horn fixed up. We know that. Oh, look who I'm talking to. That has got to be like the stupidest question I've ever asked. You got a date? Yeah? Oh, you're going with Fat Cindy. There you are. You like Fat Cindy, everybody knows. Yeah, come on, who are you going with then? Yeah? I hear she's got a nice figure. Yeah. She might have had her speech impediment though. Did you hear about that?
What did I tell you? Give me the test. You're gonna be working at that car wash the rest of your life, boy. And you, Horn Boy, you're always gonna be a greeter at Walmart. Oh, honk honk, aisle 4, I'm a fucking idiot. How did you get that voice anyway? Your mom hump a car or something? Horn Boy, how did you pegged all wrong, son? Here's your test back. Hope you lads do great.
Way to go, Horn Boy, huh? Nothing's gonna keep him out of Harvard Law School now. I can't believe you bought that part about your parents dying in a plane crash in France.
Hey, Horn Boy, I hear you're taking my daughter, Fat Cindy, to the prom.